Okay. Now you can see here on the Google Drive, all lectures are available here. I have already shared this folder with you. Open elective, web designing, video lecture. You can see here all these video lectures are available here. Here is the folder called as the lectures, and within these lectures, all lectures are available from the first lecture to succession. Now today we are conducting the 17th lectures. You can see here all these lectures are available of a web designing from the first lecture to the up to 16 number lecture. Okay, now today we will see the some remaining points of the chapter number 3rd, menu conversion. Here you can see we have already studied the some points from the Bootstrap, introduction to the responsive design, mobile first design concept. What is the mobile first design concept? Common device dimensions, viewport tag. Now as well as we have studied that the basic custom layout, that is the grid layout, introduction to Bootstrap, installation of a Bootstrap. Yesterday we have studied that how to add the Bootstrap in our application. Then here the grid system, what is the grid layout of our web page, which is available within the CSS. Next one, the what are the HTML forms, how how to design the horizontal and vertical HTML forms. Then we studied how to create the different types of web buttons within the using the Bootstraps, how to integrate the icon in our web pages. Yesterday we studied that we have added the one icon that is called as a trash, that is the delete button. Then we added here the some. Now today we'll see what is the menu conversion script. Now just I will show you what is the menu conversion script. Just you can see here. Control C. File new. Control V. Menu conversion script. Now today we'll create the menu conversion script. Now here we'll create the menu conversion. Menu conversion dot html demo. Okay. Now you can see here we have created the one HTML file, and within this form we have using this web page we have created here the one body, and using this body we have added the one paragraph text. Okay, in this body, but we have written here the some style sheet. Now you can see the we have applied the element selector, that is we are going to apply the background color of a body is the yellow, and here you can see here something is okay. Now you can see here what we have written there. Just wait, I will show you. Okay. Now you can see we have created a, here we added the element selector as a body, and we applied here the background color as a yellow. Now I will open this page. Now you can see here what will happen. Here the background color is applied. Now I will use the here h1 tag instead of that the paragraph tag. Here the background color is applied as a yellow. If I resizing this web page and I want to see this web page on a mobile devices like this one, you can see this pages look like this one. Okay, but I want to apply some media queries. If the dimensions are changed, then I would like to change some properties of this web pages. Now I will show you how to change some properties, that is called as CSS media queries. Now you can see here I have written the @media. Before that I will just see. Okay, you can see here. What is this one? Responsive web design media queries. You can see here. What is the media query? A media query is a CSS technique which is introduced within the CSS 3. It uses the one tag, name of the tag, it uses the @media to rule the include the block of a CSS properties only if certain condition is true. If some certain condition is true, then we are just going to apply the some CSS properties. Now you can see here, resize the web browser window. Here we resize the web browser window when the width of a document is 600 pixel or a less. If the window size is 600 pixel or less, then we are just changing the background color is the light blue. Otherwise, it will show seen as a yellow. Okay. Otherwise, we will show it as a yellow. म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय just if the width of your web page is equal to 600 or is less than or equal to 600, then we will change the background color. If the browser size, if the web page width is greater than 600, there is no matter, this will then show within the yellow color, otherwise it will show in the light blue. आता त्यासाठी ते क्वेरी लिहितोय आपण @media only screen and maximum width is 100 pixels, then apply the one CSS property. Background color is the light blue. This is called as a CSS media queries. Media queries आपण काय लिहितोय ओनली स्क्रीनची मॅक्झिमम विड्थ 600 पिक्सेल्स मध्ये असू दे. जर 600 पिक्सेल पर्यंत असेल साईज तर विड्थ आपण त्याचे हे काय करतोय बॅकग्राउंड कलर इज दी लाईट ब्लू. नाउ यू कॅन सी हियर. Yes, now this one is the size is greater than the 600 pixel. That's why it is showing in the yellow color. If I am resizing this to the 600 pixel, then you can see the background color becomes light gray. Okay, light blue. Sorry, light blue. If I am increasing the size, then you can see till 600 it is same as a light blue. If this one is crossing 600, then you can see the color is becomes yellow. Yes, all of you understood this one. This is called as a CSS media queries. Means what is the CSS media queries? What is CSS media queries? You can see here. A media query is the CSS technique which is introduced within the CSS 3. It uses the @media rule to include the block of a CSS properties only if the certain condition is true. If the predefined condition is true, then it will apply the some CSS property on your block. Means here we are changing the color. आपण इथं color change करतोय. If the width of your page is less or equal to 600 pixels, then we are changing the color. It becomes light blue. Otherwise, it will show the in the which yellow. Yes, not this one. I think this one. Yes, you can see what is the color of this web page. Yes, this is called as a CSS media query. Again, I will show you this some other examples. Let's see this some other examples now. This one is the most important example. The web pages responsive करायचे. I will show you. Here is the one page. You can see here. CSS media query .html. Now you can see here. If we want to आता आपण आपल्या responsive त्यांचे घेतो. Now we are just going to change the web pages like this one. You can see here. Just wait. If we are going to, I have written the one page. If this pages look like this by default, okay. If default by आता इथे change करूया आपण थोडासा. Here it is College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Now you can see here. Here the page look like this one. Okay, by default this pages look like this one. Okay. Now I would like to change this one page. Now I will add here the applied computer. Here I will add the make. Then I will add here the civil. civil. I will add here the etc. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, here we have created the one. Okay, you can see here we have created here the one web page. KIT College of Engineering Kolhapur. Here are the some departments: computer, mechanical, civil, etc. Here is some information of this web pages. And if you आता हे वेब पेज आपल्याला जर आता मोबाईल वरती असेल तर कसं लुक झालं पाहिजे. आय विल शो यू हाऊ दिस पेज लुक्स ऑन युअर वेब मोबाईल डिव्हाइसेस. This web pages look like this one. If you are going to visit this web page through the mobile devices, at that time these pages look like this one. Okay, if we are visiting the web page, if you are visiting the web page through the computer, this pages look like this one. And if you are visiting the web page this through the mobile, then these pages look like this one. Okay, that's why how to arrange all these things, we have organized all these things with the help of a media queries. Media queries आपण इथे लिहिलेले आहेत. All these media queries are written here. You can see here. Here these stem styles are. Box sizing is border box, row after, all these things are applied here. I will see where is the media queries. And now you can see the some media queries are applied here. At the rate media only screen and maximum width is the 768 pixel. Then that is for a mobile devices. Then class star is equal to call and width is the 100%, means we are just changing the width. This is called as a media queries. आता जर मी तो media queries रिमूव्ह करतो याच्यामध्ये आपल्या वेब पेज मध्ये, then you can see what will happen. If I am removing this media query, then you can see what will happen here. आता media queries आपण रिमूव्ह केलेला आहे. Then you can see what will happen there. Okay, desktop based ला काय प्रॉब्लेम येणार, but if I am visiting this web page through the if I am visiting all these web pages through the mobile website, then these pages look like this one. म्हणजे ह्याची साईज बारीक होते. इकडच्या साईडला मेनू दिसणार, इथे मध्ये विड्थ दिसते आणि हा इकडच्या साईडला. बट वी आर रिऑर्गनायझिंग ऑल दिस एलिमेंट्स. ह्याचे रिऑर्गनायझिंग जर करायचे असेल तर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू राईट दी मीडिया क्वेरीज. नाउ आय विल राईट हिअर दी सम मीडिया क्वेरीज डेफिनेशन्स. कंट्रोल झेड. ओके, म्हणजे काय होते, जर त्याची साईज कमी झाली तर कॉलमची सगळ्या साईज 100% होतात. इथं कमी जास्त दिले बघा. कॉलम 1 8% दिलाय, कॉलम 2 60%, कॉलम 3 25%, कॉलम 4 33, कॉलम 5 41. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर रिटन देअर. इफ इथे कॉलम पाहिजे तिथे आपल्याला अप्लाय करत गेलेलं आहे आपण. इफ मोबाईल फोन मध्ये आलात तर काय होते, एका खाली एक कॉलम मध्ये दिसत जाऊ द्या. दॅट्स वाय वी रिटन हिअर दी कॉलम. इफ दी screen size, that is maximum width is 768 pixel, then column size becomes 100 pixels. म्हणजे एकाच कॉलम मध्ये सगळे एका खाली एक येऊन जातात. Then again you can see what will happen. This is called as a media queries. Yes, all of you understood this one. What is the use of a media queries? हे आपल्या स्टाईल शीट सगळ्या आधीच लिहिलेल्या आहेत. त्या कंटेंट, क्लिअर बोर्ड, डिस्प्ले ब्लॉक, फ्लोट लेफ्ट, पॅडिंग 50 पिक्सल, font family is the liquid sans serif, background color is something, color, padding, all things are written there. Here just concentrate on which one thing, media query. This is most important thing to change the size of a menu bar as well as change the size of your web pages according to the screen sizes. This is called as a media query. What is the use of a CSS media query? It will apply on your HTML elements whenever this some condition becomes true. Here we have given the one condition. If the screen size is maximum width is the 768 pixel. If the size is less than 768 pixels or equal to 768 pixels, then it will go ahead as it is. Otherwise, if the size is less than size जर त्याची 768 पिक्सल पेक्षा लेस किंवा इक्वल असेल, then the class column width become 100%. Yes, now all of you understood this one. What is the media queries? Yes, please put your answer in chat box. Yes, all these things are available on the W3 school. Yes, if you need this something from more from the, if you need this something more for your study, then you can refer the W3 school. All these things are available also on the W3 school. You can see here. I will show you these some things. Yes, you can see here these some things are available like this one. If you are return another breakpoint, you can add the many breakpoints as you like. You will also insert the breakpoints between the tablets and between the mobile phone. Your web page is look like this one on the desktop. Your web page is look like this one on the tablet. Your web page is look like this one on the phone. Means you can add the multiple breakpoints using the media queries. Now next one thing is what is the next one thing is remaining. आता आपल्याला मेनू बार एक बघायचा आहे. ओके, जस्ट आय विल शो यू मेनू बार. Yes, now I will show you. Just wait. Menu bar dot html. Okay, there is the next point from our syllabus. आता ते काय करा मेनू कन्वर्जन स्क्रिप्ट लिहायची आपल्याला. मेनू बार dot html. Okay, now you can see this one is the menu bar is look like this one. Here the home page, here the news, here the contact, and here the about us. Now if you are just now this page is look like this one. If you are visiting this through the our, if you are visiting this web page through the desktop, then this menu bar is look like this one. If you are visiting the menu bar through the mobile, then this menu bar is look like this one. Means this will become the drop down. ह्याचा ड्रॉप डाऊन केली जातोय कधी जर मोबाईल डिव्हाइसेस मधनं. डेस्कटॉपला केला तर हॉरिझॉन्टल दिसते. नाव हाऊ टू मॅनेज ऑल दिस थिंग्स. हिअर वी आर रिटर्न दिस वन स्क्रिप्ट. पण ह्या स्क्रिप्ट लिहायला लागतात ह्याला. But till date we have not studied JavaScript. That's why we are not aware about the JavaScript, how to write a JavaScript, how to apply the some JavaScripts on a web pages. Okay. तर एक आपण नेक्स्ट वन कधी तर आपण जावास्क्रिप्ट शिकल्यानंतर चेक करूया, कारण यू आर नॉट familiar with the JavaScript, because till date we have not studied any JavaScript functions, as well as you have not studied the, you are not having the knowledge regarding the JavaScript. Once we finish our JavaScript, then we will go back to this one menu bar, how to resize or how to write the scripts for a menu bars to change the menu bar like this one. I will show you here the menu bar. Yes. Okay. तर आपण आपले 3 चॅप्टर कंप्लीट केले आहेत. Till date we have completed our first 3 chapters. You can see here the first one the HTML 5.0, next one the CSS 3.0, and third one is the Bootstrap. आता याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्हाला नोट्स हवे असतील तर I already uploaded all these notes on the Moodle. Again I will show you. You can see here the Moodle. Where is our web designing course? Here is our web designing course. All these things are available on the Moodle. इथे HTML5 च्या नोट्स आहेत, इथे PPT आहे, फॉर्मचं इथं आहे, सोर्स कोड आहेत, as well as here the some HTML notes are uploaded, which is from the W3 schools or anything. You can see here the some PDF files are also available on the Moodle. All things are available on the Moodle. You can see here. Yes, all things are available on the Moodle. Yes, you can see here. याचे आउटपुट सुद्धा आहेत. What is the H1 to H6 heading? Here the output is just like this one. Means all these HTML nodes are available here. The CSS PPT, CSS demo with source code are also available here, as well as Bootstrap nodes are available here. Bootstrap PPT, Bootstrap demo, and download Bootstrap. जर तुम्हाला Bootstrap जर तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये डाउनलोड करून ऍड करायचं असेल तर you can download it, and just I will show you what I have done in the previous lectures. Just wait. Yesterday we have downloaded the Bootstrap demo. Bootstrap just download करा. Bootstrap extract केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला असे 3 फोल्डर मिळतील, CSS, fonts and JS. And here is the Bootstrap main.css file is available. Now how to call the external CSS file? Here the one link tag is available. Link tag, right here the rel is equal to style sheet. href is equal to give the external style sheet. External style sheet now the href is equal to external style sheet. Now this not this one we have added I think here, or otherwise we will today external style sheet add करायचे directly. इथं जर एक Bootstrapचा डेमो दाखवतो म्हणजे लक्षात येईल. Just wait. I think which is available there on which page? Not on menu bar. तर आता याच्यामध्येच एक मी करतो म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. हे आता मी रिमूव्ह करतो. इफ आय रिमूव्ह दिस लिंक स्टाईल शीटची लिंक रिमूव्ह केली आहे, and then you can see what will happen with this page. This page will look like this one, but if I will add this link next to his CDN आहे, Control Z. If I will add the link http://cdn bootstrap.com bootstrap 3.4.1 css / bootstrap main.css, then this page will look like this one. You can see here. Yes, all these things are okay. आता मी याच्यामध्ये Bootstrapची CSS काय करणार आहे, आपल्याकडे जे आहे ते आता ऍड करूया. Where is our CSS is available? Now you can see this file is available within the which folder? You can see here within the CSS folder bootstrap main.css. Now I will add this one /css / bootstrap main.css. Yes. I think slash is extra, that's why there is error is occurred. Slash extra आल्यामुळे झाला असणार आहे. Now you can see, yes, all things are okay. Means all these are definitions are written in the Bootstrap CSS. Yes, you can download this CSS and JavaScript, and you can just add it as external CSS and JavaScript in your file. Then this will be applicable to your document. Just I will show you one how to add the external CSS. I think some are not aware about this CSS. I will just create a Control S demo1.html and I will create here the one h1 to apply external CSS external CSS. I have written here to apply external CSS, and I will create here one external file, new, Control S. I will save this file as a kit external CSS dot CSS. Extension is the .css. Kit external file dot CSS. Okay. Now I will create here I will apply here the background color, body वरती apply करतोय. You can just write here the directly code. There is no need to add the style sheet tag. Directly लिहायचे body selector, and I will apply here the background color. Background color is the scan. Now how to before this app, now I will show this page. I will show this demo page before the applying the external style sheet इथे काही linking दिलेलं नाही. You can see this pages look like this one. Now I will add here the external style sheet. How to apply? Go to the head part and write the one tag. Name of this tag is the link. Rel is equal to style sheet. Type is equal to text of CSS, and href is equal to give the फाईल नेम आपण काय केलेलं आहे, KIT external file, what is the name, ext file, external file dot css, href kit external file dot css. Then you can see what will happen. Then background color is applied. Whatever written in the we can also apply here this some other tag h1 वरची पण स्टाईल शीट लिहू शकतो आपण. within the h1 I will write here the color red, border is equal to 10 pixel solid green is not, I will use even black color. Now you can see here what will happen here. Yes, here is applied the something. I will apply also here there is some background color on h1, background color yellow. Yes, all of you understood this one, how to call the external CSS? Yes, all of you understood this one, how to call the external CSS. Now we have all completed all these things. आपल्या ज्या काही सिलेबस मधल्या थिंग होते ते सगळ्या कंप्लीट झाल्या आहेत. नाव we have completed first 3 chapters, HTML 5.0, CSS 3.0 and Bootstrap. Okay, तर तुमची MSc एक्झामचा जो सिलेबस आहे तो कंप्लीट झाला आहे. नाव आवर MSc एक्झाम विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द MCQ क्वेश्चन्स. ओके, MCQ क्वेश्चन्स असणार आहेत तुम्हाला, तर तुमचे MCQ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत. ॲज वेल ॲज ISC पण ऐकू दे आपण घेतोय. ISC विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द MCQ क्वेश्चन. नाव टुमॉरो you should give the one ISC component quiz, which is the just like the, which is just demo example of a your MSc exam. MSc exam चाच एक डेमो असणार आहे उद्याचा. तुम्हाला ते पण कळतील क्वेश्चन कसे असणार आहेत काय. Okay, thank you all of you. If you have any doubt you can ask me, otherwise you can leave meeting. Thank you all of you. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Yes student, if you have any doubt you can ask me, otherwise you can leave meeting. Thank you. We will stop here.